Hello, today I'm going to try to show you the area of the Illini I as an example of what you can do on today's activity. So I chose to use the coordinate plane graph paper, so that way I could see that I had 3 squares on each side and 3 squares on each side. So it's symmetrical, so I can see the measurements really easy, and I can see that they're equal on both sides. I also can see that this is a height of 3, so this is also a height of 3, therefore it's a height of 3 over here and a height of 3 over here. Then I'm going to take a look at the lengths. I'm going to count the boxes. It's a length of 10, so there must be 5 on each side, so I should have 10 up here as well. Then I want to do the height. I see 7 and 7. So it's not quite symmetrical going up and down, but they do have 4 on top and 3 on the bottom, so we'll just leave it as it is. And then I will probably have to find out the measurement of that eventually. So let's go ahead and figure out the area of the pieces I do know. I know that I want to find the area of this, which is a 10 by 3, which is 30. Therefore, the top is also 10 times 3, which is 30. And I know that my height is 7, but I'm trying to figure out here. So if I know the whole thing is 10, and I have 3 and 3, so that makes 6, so let's see, 4. I also can tell down here I have 2 boxes and 2 boxes, that making a length of 4. 3 plus 4 makes 7 plus 3 makes 10, so that would be correct. So 7 times 4 is 28. So altogether, go over here and I'm going to add 30 plus 30 plus 28. 8, 6, 7, 8. So I get an area of 88 units squared. And again, that's for my area of the letter I for the Illini. Now, if you wanted to enrich yourself, you could find the perimeter. So you could go around and add all the sides, 10 plus 3 plus 3 plus 7, and then you could get your answer here, but you would just label that in units, not units squared, because you're not finding area. So you could enrich yourself too. And then you'll find later down on the Google form that you could actually take a picture of this and submit it to Mrs. Gertis, Mrs. Biggs, and Mrs. Moore and I, and we can take a look at your image. So you could choose whatever letter you want. You could do initial, you could do your first name, you could do your last name, you could do a phrase that you like, but you're trying to find the area of letters, block letters. You will also notice too on the Google form, I gave you a template, and you will notice that, I'm going to try to show you on here, that they have a box that goes around the outside. So another strategy you could do is you could find the area of the entire thing, and then you could subtract the sections. So you could find the area of the whole entire thing, and then you could subtract the sections that you don't need. So that would be another strategy that you could do as well. Alright, good luck with today's activity. Have fun with the extension.